Let's talk today about some new design trends in kitchens and where they're heading for the future. Some of the trends we're seeing today in kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets are the warmer tones are becoming much more popular. Previously, white is always the big seller. Currently, we're seeing less white and a lot more warmer colors and some stains. And we're seeing a lot of light colors even with natural rift cut oak cabinets with natural stains. We're also seeing a lot of two-tone designs in the kitchen where the island may be one color or one different species of wood, the perimeter may be a second color, and we're even seeing the lower cabinets done in one color sometime and the uppers in a different material and a different color. One of the popular trends today is taller upper cabinets and also deeper upper cabinets. We're seeing a lot of 15-inch depth cabinets where the normal depth of an upper cabinet is 12 inches. Gives you a lot more storage in the interior for platters and plates and much easier to fill the cabinets. And the taller cabinets also give you a much more elegant and grander look to the kitchen. Some people are also installing decorative glass in some of the upper cabinets, and then we are lighting those cabinets with LED lights, both inside, under cabinets, and over cabinets. The kitchen ends up being a lot brighter. One popular feature on all of our cabinets is they come with full extension drawers, so they open 100%, so it's easier to grab anything in the back of the cabinet. They're also full wood sides, undermount hardware, bloom, so you don't see any of the hardware itself, and soft closed doors and drawers. We also use the decorative 5-piece drawer fronts as standard, so the drawer fronts will look just like the cabinet door fronts do, rather than a slab drawer. One of the other popular items in the kitchen is ventilation. You see a lot of different range hoods that'll be over the cooking surface. A lot of what we're seeing today is people are opting for the furniture quality range hoods that are made by our cabinet manufacturers. They're going to be a lot more powerful CFM venting on that hood, so it'll take out all your smoke and cooking vapors. The other part of it is they are beautiful enhancements that are going to look just like the cabinets of furniture quality. So it's a much more beautiful option than, say, having a microwave hood, which we don't see much of these days. If we're not using a furniture quality wood hood by the cabinet manufacturer, the other popular option would be a stainless steel hood. And those come in a variation of sizes and quality, also with CFM ranges to get rid of all the cooking vapors and smoke. Either option is a good option. It depends on the look that the consumer is trying to achieve. One of the trends that's popular in backsplashes are full height backsplashes. So wherever there's an upper cabinet or there's a ventilation hood, we're running that backsplash from the countertop all the way to the upper cabinet or to the ventilation. Another popular trend is getting rid of the outlets that you normally see in a backsplash. We're supplying those and installing those underneath the upper cabinets where they're not visible, and you have a continuous outlet strip under every cabinet. So you end up with a lot more outlets and no penetrations in the backsplash, so it's a much more beautiful and practical installation. On countertops, the popular items today are still your quartz and your granites and quartzite, which are all natural stones. All of our granites at KLM and all of our quartzites come with a factory sealer that gives you a 15-year no-seal warranty. The quartz typically is going to be a more uniform looking product, so the veining you see or the color you choose is going to be consistent through the whole slab, where with the granites and the quartzites being a natural material, you're going to have the veining and differential colors that Mother Nature provides. Both countertop choices are very durable, and especially with the sealer on your natural stones, most people will choose one over the other based on the look or the aesthetic they're trying to achieve. And with those countertops, stone, either quartz or granites or quartzites, another popular trend is running that material as a backsplash from the countertop all the way up to your ventilation or between cabinets. Some of the sink trends that are popular today are the apron front sinks. They come in all different types of material. There's a stainless steel apron front sink, there's a fire clay, which is like a porcelain sink, and there's also a true porcelain. All of the varietals come in both styles, either undermount or apron front. We are seeing a trend towards large single bowl sinks now. Makes it much more convenient to wash trays or large pots and pans in the sink. Our preference at KLM is the apron front sinks in either the fire clay or the porcelain. They're the easiest to maintain, they don't water spot, they don't scratch, and they're easy to clean. Lighting is also very popular in the kitchen remodels we're doing today. We're putting that LED light under the cabinets, over the cabinets, inside the cabinets that have finished interiors and glass fronts. So it's a very popular option, makes the kitchen lighter and brighter. And what we're finding is a lot of people will just turn on the LEDs only in the room, especially if they're watching television or they're having an intimate dining scene, because it provides enough light with no heat, very low cost, and very low energy usage, and perfect for viewing a movie. And with LED lighting, another application that we've done a lot of is on the kitchen islands. On the back side of the island where you sit, we do accent lighting that's LED that comes on with the perimeter lights, and that's a very nice feature as well. What's new and very popular in the appliance world today for remodels is induction cooking is really caught on. You'll have a beautiful glass style flat surface on the cooktop. The beauty of induction is it's not warm to the touch, but it's very fast and very efficient. So a very nice application for cooking today. Very easy to clean and maintain. We're also seeing smart appliances in the ovens and refrigerators with different applications where you can set parameters on your application or on your smart device or smartphone. Those have become very popular also. There's also a big trend towards built-in ovens. We do applications where there's double ovens, and then beneath that you'll see a warming drawer as well. So that's very popular for people that love to cook a lot. On new construction and some of our remodels at KLM, we take and recess the wall behind the refrigerator an extra 4 or 5 inches. That way, a full depth refrigerator of 25.5 or 26 cubic feet will look like a built-in or counter depth fridge. And last and not least in the kitchens, we're seeing different floor materials become more popular. An engineered hardwood of the wider plank varietal. Most of the planks today of all the flooring we're seeing have gotten bigger and wider. So you're seeing 7, 8, 9-inch wide planks. It makes a great floor, very durable. And we're also seeing a rise in popularity of the laminate flooring. There's a lot of laminates today that are made by several domestic manufacturers that have great durability. They're actually stronger than hardwoods and more durable than hardwoods, but they have the look of the hardwood. And these are popular choices, as well as the luxury vinyl tiles that look like wood planks. They're very popular choices other than ceramic tile because of the cost savings and the durability.